Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be shortly explaining to you guys how you can showcase multiple collections of your products on one singular tab on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now for this, first we're going to need collections, which I do not currently have on this account. So I'm just going to go into collections and I'm going to create a collection, which I'm just going to name test 1, and I'm going to add products to this, and I just have one test product, so I'm just going to use this, create that collection, click save, and that's it. And now I'm going to repeat this a couple of more times just to create other collections. I have the homepage collection as well, so I'm going to use that as well, but this is pretty much just going to be a couple of placeholder collections that I'm going to use to, well, display what you have as your options. Now I'm going to just use 2 simply because I don't feel like adding more. But once you have your collections, what you're going to need to do is go into online store, then go into themes if you aren't already, and click on customize next to the theme you're currently using. I'm using the Dawn theme, so I'm just going to use that. And then you just need to go to your product tab, or the default product tab, as you can see it here, and now you can start adding other things. What we're going to click is on add a section right under the template menu, and then we're going to search for product, and it's going to give us the feature product. It should have given us the collections or the product tab, so I'm just going to try, or there we go, you have the collection list. They renamed that what's this called, the, well, module, I guess you could call it, from last time I've seen anything about it. But yeah, now you have this collection list. I'll delete one of my collections since I only have 2. Click on the one you want to change, click select collection, and I'm going to select test 1. There we go for that, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to select test 2. And as you can see, now my 2 collections are being displayed right over here on one singular page on the product page right over here. Once you're done with that, just click save, and you should be good to go, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.